caterpillar ducks and pupil chickens already went inside their classroom. Right. And habang malapit na rin tayo, we can only believe that our class is about to start. Buhay magayaw, mga kahit yung mga kids at heart na rin. Hello! Kaway-kaway naman sa mga estudyante natin dyan. Hi! But you know what? For today, hindi lang po sila yung mga estudyante natin. In fact, all of you are going to school together. Because what better way to learn and understand about birds, nature, and culture than learning it from our teacher birds themselves, right? Now let me just share this one with you that our teacher birds are actually rescued and donated birds that we can no longer release back in the wild. Why? Because first, most of these birds are non-endemic. It means to say, hindi po sila taga rito. Even if they're physically fit, but if we release them back in the wild, surely they won't survive our environment. Secondly, most of these birds are left disabled from their previous injury. Which is why we here in Malagos Garden Resort, we take this opportunity to do this activity to entertain our rehabilitated birds and at the same time teach you our guests about environmental and cultural awareness. So yan po yung gagawin natin this morning. Okay po ba? Alright, since all of you are going to be students of the Malagos Bird School, my question now to everyone would be, are we all ready to learn this morning?
Yes!
It seems that the others are still sleeping. Parang wala tayong energy. Hindi gaganahan yung teacher birds natin. Please stand with energy naman para may gana yung teacher birds natin. Now, since all of you are going to be students of the Malagos Bird School, are we all ready to learn this morning?
Yes!
But that's the energy that we need. Now, if you're ready, we are ready as well. Let's now proceed to our first subject. And our first topic is all about good manners and right conduct, or GMRC. Now, here to teach us about good manners and right conduct, help me welcome our first teacher bird, and at the same time, the star student of the Malagos Bird School, an African gray parrot. Now, before we introduce our African gray parrot, I'll just be sharing to you some trivia about the African gray parrot. Now, did you know that among the parrot family, the African gray parrot is considered to be the most intelligent one? Did you know about that? Alright, and alam nyo din ba that they even think like that of a 3-year-old child? Interesting, right? So, at this point, testingin naman natin kung gaano katalino yung African gray parrot natin. Now, can you greet your fellow classmates over here? The traditional way of greeting here in Malagos. Sige nga. Madayaw. Did you hear that?
Madayaw.
What did our teacher bird say?
Madayaw!
Sabi niya, madayaw. Because that's how we greet here in Malagos. Mabuhay o madayaw.
Buhay o madayaw.
Hindi ka pa napakilala ng sarili mo. Can you please introduce first yourself to your classmates? Your name is?
Lola.
Narinig po ba natin? What's the name of our teacher bird?
Lola.
Lola. Bata po po yan, sir. How about the others? How about the others?
Noah?
Lala?
Noah?
Lala? It's
Noah.
actually
Noah.
Donald.
Donald.
Pagpasensya nyo na po, guys, lang po talaga yung YouTuber natin. But for the benefit of the rest who were not able to hear, once again,
Ano pinito,
your name
Trump?
is?
Donald.
Diba? It's actually Donald. Pagpasensya nyo na po, British accent po kasi. Everyone meet Donald, our African gray parrot. Now, you might be wondering, how are these birds able to talk? Do you know? Well, I tell you, they actually don't. What they actually do is mimicking. Now, these are very common, most especially in the wild, because they do this to create bond or socialize with the other birds. Now, at this point, kayo naman sana yung bumati kay Donald. Now, can everybody say, good morning, Donald?
Good morning, Donald.
Oo, ang lakas ng Donald. Sabi ng mga kaklase mo, good morning daw. Ano naman yung i-reply mo? Sige nga. Good morning. Ayun, sabi po ni Donna, good morning. Because as part of good manners, when someone says good morning, it's best to reply with a good morning as well. Now, Donald, ang dami naman kakasi mo dito. Kamustahin mo naman sila. Kamustahin mo
Don't
sila.
speak if
Sige nga.
your mouth is full, Donald.
Don't be shy.
Good.
Sabi morning ulit si Donald. Hello, how are you? Ayun, sabi mo ni Donald, hello, how are you? Usually, our reply would be, I'm fine, thank you, how about you? Now, at this point, I'm just curious. Before that, I'd like to greet one special person this morning. Would like to say happy birthday to my guapo husband, Rene Tio, from your wife. Can you please stand? Would you recognize? Wow. Once again, sir, happy birthday. Aside from Sir Dion over here, do we have any other birthday celebrants with us here today? Can you raise your hand? Or for the month of August? Ay, ang dami pala natin birthday celebrants. Ayun si Kuya. How about the others? Ayun si Ma'am din, si Ate din over here. How about on that side? Do we see some, alright, si Ma'am din. At doon din si Baby Book. Donald, ang dami pala natin birthday celebrants over here. Now, ano naman yung sasabihin mo sa kanila? Sige nga. Alright, happy birthday na po sa inyo and may you have more birthdays and blessings to come. But wait, kasi I have another teacher bird over here na si Nigel. Super president ka sa to naman kasi may gagawin din daw po siya para sa mga birthday celebrants natin. Sige nga, for today, anong gagawin ni Nigel? Singing dance. Narinig niyo yun? Sing and dance, magpapasikat daw si Nigel. This should be interesting. Music please! Oh, pwede natin sabayan. Oh, kaya niyo yun? Oh, ha? Oh, ha? Ganado si Nigel for today.
Bang tarat-tarat.
Ayun, ang galing-galing naman. Sumayo at kumanta pa na. Anong title ng kanta?
Bang tarat-tarat.
Boom, tara-tara. This is for our two lovely parents, na sina Donald, and of course, to Nigel. Thank you so much for tutuloy. Para si Nigel for today. Now, we here in Malagos believe that education and nutrition should go hand in hand, most especially to birds with specific type of diet. Now, it's very timely because our next topic is all about bird diet. So it's very important that we get to know and we get to be familiar kung ano po talaga yung kinakain ng ating mga ibon. Now, since this is last time, it's the right time that we bring out some food to our lovely teacher birds. Starting off with Kapitan. Come on, Kapitan!
Hindi ka malupad. Ato siya, oh.
There goes Kapitan, our Philippine Hawk Eagle. Hindi po sila yung mga Philippine Eagles, hindi rin po yung mga Philippine Eagles kasi Philippine Eagles actually have a wingspan that reaches 7 to 8 feet. Ganyan po kahaba. But pansinin nyo naman si Kapitan over here, masyadong maikli lang po. But because of its facial feature, because of its color, madalas, pag lumilipad yung mga Philippine Hawk Eagle in the Philippine forest, napagkakamalan na rin silang Philippine Eagle. Now, since our topic is about bird diet, pansinin nyo po, may kinakain si Kapitan. Do you know what that is? Alam nyo ba kung ano yung kinakain ni Kapitan? Take a guess.
Chicken.
It's actually meat, karne. It can be beef, it can be rabbit, rats, snakes, or even little birds. Now, for birds who like to eat meat, that's what we call as specifically raptors. So for birds who like to eat meat, that's what we call as raptors. Now, yung kinakain naman nila, that's what we call as prey. Now remember the terms, raptor and prey. So that's it for Kapitan, our Philippine Hawk Eagle. A big hand, please. Now speaking about raptors, we actually have two kinds of raptors. Now the first type of raptor is what we call as the diurnal raptor, or birds who are active during daytime. Just like Kapitan, he's a diurnal raptor. Now the second type of raptor is what we call as nocturnal raptors, or birds who are active during nighttime. Now who can give me one famous example of a nocturnal raptor? That's right, owls. Now I have an owl over here by the window side. There goes Brian, our Philippine eagle owl, a Philippine endemic bird. Now, let me just discuss to you, or let me explain to you. You could lipat po ni Brian from the window side down over here. That's actually what we call as silent flight. Why silent flight? It's because of its feathers.
Maluya na
It
siya.
has the ability to absorb the sound. That's why no matter how much Brian is flapping his wings right now, do we hear a sound? No, right? We can barely hear a sound, which makes it very effective when hunting for its prey. Now, let me bring out two more other owls so that we can check and compare. Next to come out is Noah. You see where Noah is? Asan si Noah? There goes Noah, our common grass owl. Common grass owl loves to live in lowland places. Now, next to Noah is Ina. Come on, Ina. Now the owl on my far right is Ina, and Ina over here is an Everett Scots owl. Now we already have three owls. We have Ina, Brian, and Noah. So this point, pagkumparahan natin yung tatlong owls. My first question would be, among the three owls, which owl is the smallest? Can you find the owl? It is Ina over here. Now you might be asking, kanya naman kalaki yung mga Everett Scots owl? The answer is yes. In fact, Ina over here is already an adult Everett Scots owl. Now my second question would be, among the three owls, is it Ina, Brian, or Noah? Which owl has the biggest eyes? Sino po yung owl na may pinakamalaking mata?
Si
Is it
Noah.
Ina, Brian, or Noah?
Noah.
Can you point at the owl?
Brian.
Sino po? Can you
Si
point at the
Brian.
owl?
Brian.
Kasi Sir, parang ako yung tinuturo. Sabi si Sir. But among the three owls is actually Brian
Brian.
over here. Pansinin nyo naman po, sobrang laki at linaw ng mga mata, which makes it very effective when hunting for its
Mata sa
prey,
tao.
even at night. Now speaking about its prey, you know what owls like to eat? You know? They like to eat rats, rodents, mga daga na ayaw natin yung mga tao kasi rats bring diseases, right? Diseases such as leptospirosis, a very deadly disease that could kill us humans. But come to think about it, ito na po yung tulong na binibigay ng mga owls sa atin kasi kinakain nila yung mga daga na ayaw natin mga tao. Which is why owls are very important in our community. So let's help to preserve and conserve these very beautiful creatures. Okay, Buba? Alright, so that's it for our three lovely owls. Let's say Brian, Ina, and Noah. Now we're done. Do you notice the majestic bird by the balcony? Here goes Terry, our Mindanao Talintic hornbill. A Mindanao endemic bird. Now if you're coming from Luzon, do we have guests from Luzon? Can we see some hands? Ayun, andito sa sister, ma'am. Over here as well, we have guests from Luzon. How about from the Visayas? We see from, we have guests from Visayas? We have over here by the center. How about the others? From Mindanao. How about from the other countries? I heard Hawaii. Davao as well. How about the others? From the other planets. I'm logging in from other planets. But you know what? You're very fortunate because you witnessed ang Mindanao endemic bird. Ang Mindanao Talintic hornbill na can only be seen here in Mindanao. But you know what? Let me just share with you some sad story about the Mindanao Talintic hornbill. You know why? There's actually a sad story about the Mindanao Talintic hornbill because over the years, their population has continuously decreased. Paunti na po ng paunti yung mga Mindanao Talintic hornbill all because of deforestation. If you notice, we have so many buildings, we have so many subdivisions or even malls, which are actually good for us humans, right? But not so much for our feathered friends kasi hindi natin namamalayan, unti-unti na pala natin kinukuha yung mga lugar where they once lived to breed and multiply. Which is why we here in Malagos Garden Resort, we advocate the wildlife conservation breeding program. And as a matter of fact, I'm just proud to share to you that through the efforts of the late Dr. Bo Petrispina, we have successfully bred 3 over the years with these endangered Mindanao Talintic hornbill, and we're the only facility to have done so here in the Philippines, which by the way is very difficult. But because of the love, passion, and commitment, nothing is impossible. Now I'm sharing this to everyone because I want to encourage everyone to please do your part in helping to preserve and conserve this very beautiful yet very fragile environment of ours. Si Terry po ay sa Mindanao Directive Hornbill. Sitting doon naman over here is a Rufus Hornbill. In Tagalog or in Bisaya, hornbills are called Kalaw. And we have so many Kalaws here in Baguio District. Now at this point, I'm going to share to you some characteristics about the hornbill that you might not know yet. Now the first characteristic about hornbills is that they're actually very noisy birds. In fact, they're called the flock in the forest. At certain time of the day, like 5 in the morning, 12 noon, or 5 in the afternoon, they start to create noise, or they start to create sound. Which is why the people living in the forest land area, kung walang sangrilo, alam na nila kung anong oras. Kasi, tumunog na yung
Kalaw.
alarm clock nila. Tumunog na yung hornbill. So that's what characteristics about hornbills, ang iingay po nila. Now the second characteristics about the hornbill that I'd like to share to everyone is how they move around the forest. Usually when we think about birds, they would just fly from one tree to the other. But hornbills are different. Just like what Bingo was doing over here. It was hopping or jumping from one table to the other. Same thing in the forest, hornbills like to hop or jump from one branch to the other. Just like what Bingo is doing right now. Now since our topic is about bird diet, pansinin niyo po, may hawak-hawak na pagkain si Gerald and ibinibigay niya ito kay Bingo. Do you know what that is?
Saging.
Ano po yung binibigay natin kay Bingo? Take a guess.
Banana.
Papaya? How about the others?
Carrots.
Carrot, ang sigat puno na. It's actually maybe melon, sir. But it's actually papaya. Now, hornbills like to eat fruits. It can be papaya, watermelon, mango, banana, or whatever available in the forest. Now, for birds who like to eat fruits, that's what we call as frugivores. So remember that term, frugivores, for birds who like to eat fruit. That's it for Bingo, our Rufus Hornbill. Abigan, please. Now for sure, there are other types of...
Good day, everyone. My name is Liz and I am very excited to be a part of your nature and culture experience today. By the way, my partners over here are both eclectus parrots, and something very interesting in the eclectus parrot family, no, is for them, iba po ang kulay ng mga babae and iba po ang kulay ng mga lalaki. Now, I'd like to ask everyone here, between these two birds, which one do you think is a girl? Is it the green one or the red one?
The green.
Oh, I can hear a lot of people saying green, no? So for those of you who think that the green one is the girl, can you raise your hand para makita namin? Ayun, ang daming nag-raise na hand, ang daming mali. Because actually, in the eclectus parrot family, the green ones are the boys, and the red ones are the girls. So this one perched over my shoulder is actually Ruby, our red eclectus parrot, and over here is Midori, our green eclectus parrot. Now, something very interesting about these birds over here, no, is that they are both already 15 years old, and is a product of our conservation breeding program here at Malagos Garden Resort. That's it for Midori for today. Can everybody please say bye, Midori? Ayan, so nag-ring na po kanina yung bell that could only mean one thing. Now it's time for our next class. And for our next class, I need volunteers. So sino po gusto mag-volunteer? Please raise your hand so we can see here. Who wants to be a volunteer? Ayan, very good. Ang daming nagtaas ng kamay. But for today, for our financial management class, I need volunteers specifically with extra money. So sino po yung volunteers with extra money? Nakabinabahan ng mga kamay. Paano po ba yun? Don't worry everyone, this is just for fun. So if you have any extra paper bill, any amount will do, please fold your paper bill lengthwise, fold it lengthwise and hold it at the tip, and hold it as high as you can para makita namin. Sige nga, one more time, fold your paper bill lengthwise, hold it at the tip, and hold it as high as you can para makita natin mga teacher birds. Ayan, sige nga, how many brave volunteers do I have? I have 1, 2, 3 brave volunteers on this side, 2 more brave volunteers on this side, and a lot more volunteers on this side. Very good. Now for all of my volunteers, I need you all to stand up. Ayun po tayo. For our volunteers, I need you to stand up. Arms up straight. Hold your paper bill as high as you can. Ayan, very good. Now gentle reminder to all of my volunteers, okay? Don't hold on too tightly to your paper bill so that our teacher bird can do something about it. Now I'd like to ask everyone, students of the Malagos Bird School, are you ready to meet your next teacher bird? Well, no one is answering us, Ruby. I don't think everyone is ready pa. Take two nga. One more time. Students of the Malagos Bird School, are you ready to meet your next teacher bird? I am very good and we are ready as well. So everybody help me welcome Waki and Wako. We have Waki over there. And we have Wako as well. Where's Wako? Where's Wako? Well, everybody can you all
500 yun iya.
Teacher Wako, can everybody
500 yun iya.
Teacher Wako! Ayan yan, Wako. Naku, yun. Wala nakuha si Teacher Wako. One more time lang po. Pataas lang po ng mga kamay. Ayan, para makita ni Teacher Wako. Let's give another chance for Wako over there. One more time, ladies and gentlemen. Help me welcome
trainer ka
our
pili kung din
teacher
ko niya.
for today, Teacher Wako. Arms straight, steady na po yung kamay. Arms straight, steady na po. Ayan, one more time. Wako! It's okay, don't worry. That's it for Wako for today. Unfortunately, everyone, we only have 2 teacher birds for today. So for our volunteers, pwede na po tayo maupo. Palakpakan naman for our brave volunteers. And of course, for our teacher birds over here. Now, I'd like to ask, kanino pong pera itong nakuha ni Waki? Whose money is this? Ako sa'yo, kuya. Look at what Waki will do to your money. Ako, alam po, may hasok sa bulsa. That's Waki, that's not us. But anyway, thank you so much and more blessings to come. Now for today, for our financial management class, Teacher Waki is going to teach us ano ba daw dapat gagawin pag may extra money tayo. So Teacher Waki has 3 coin banks over here. 1 coin bank for savings, another coin bank for shopping, and another coin bank for travel. Sige nga Teacher Waki, ano dapat
Natutulungan
kayo
nila
sa perang
uwak, no?
nakuha? Ako sabi ni Teacher Waki, save some for the bank for savings. Another one for savings. Good job, Teacher Waki. Next one would be for shopping. And the last one would be for savings as well. Now we have another one. One more and it's for traveling. Now everybody, according to Teacher Waki, it's okay to indulge ourselves once in a while. Mag-travel, mag-food trip, mag-shopping. There's really nothing wrong with that. But always remember to save a part of what you earn because after all, it's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you save. Very good. That's it for our financial management class for today. Can everybody please say bye, Waki? Bye, Wako! And of course, bago na po papasok, there's Waki and of course, pinalik ni Waki ang pera. Because here in Malagos Garden Resort, we always give back what we take. That's it for subject. Recess time. Ano mas masabi ni Sir? Recess! Now, unfortunately, everybody, tapos na po tayo mag-recess time. Actually, it's now PE time. And for our PE time, ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome 2 of our lovely and cute kakatus, Kaka and Ruby! Ano na lumabas si Kaka? And of course, Kaka is... Ano na naman ni Kaka? Kaka is waving hello to everyone. Hello raw po sabi ni Kaka. And of course, we have another lovely and cute kakatu over here. We have Ruby. And Ruby is doing the signature dance move, the headbang, to say hello to everyone. Now for today, for our PE time, magba-basketball showdown na po ang ating players. And of course, bago sila magba-basketball showdown, mag-warm up raw po muna sila. So sige nga na warm up ninyo. Ayun, very good. Palakpakan naman for our teacher birds, everyone. So, ang kanilang warm-up ay nagsusunod sila papunta sa basketball court para raw lesser carbon emission and safe sa environment. So, tapos na po mag-warm up si Kaka at si Rookie. Kami po ni Ruby yung magiging referee. Ano pa po ba yung kulang natin? What else do we lack?
Bola.
We lack balls and we lack cheers as well. So from this side up to this side over here, I need you all to cheer for Team Rookie. So when I say let's cheer for Rookie, you all say Rookie! Rookie! Okay po ba? Ayan, sige nga. And then of course from this side up to this side over here, I need you all to cheer for Team Kaka. So when I say let's cheer for Kaka, you all say Kaka! Kaka! Okay po ba? Ayan. Team Rookie! Ako, kulang ng energy ang Team Rookie. Ayaw pa naman mag-shoot ng bola ni Rookie pag walang cheer. Let's give another chance. Everybody, let me hear the cheer for Team Rookie! Ayan, very good. Magpapatalo po ba tayo, Team Kaka? Ayaw na energetic ng Team Kaka. Very good. I think everyone is ready. Our players are ready. Set, label, shoot for Team Kaka! Rookie! Kaka! Rookie! One point for Rookie again. Now a very slow start. Now everyone practice for Rookie on the second ball. The 2 versus 1 for Kaka over here. Well, now the 3 points. Let's go Rookie. 3 points for Kaka. Rookie versus 1. Let's shoot for Team Kaka! Rookie and let's go for Team Rookie and 4 points for Kaka with a slam dunk as well. Good job, Kaka. So our winner for this round would be Team Rookie. Very good. Congratulations, Team Rookie. Naku, dito tayo sa losing team. Kuya Jeffrey, ano pong nangyari kay Kaka? Ako sabi ni Kuya Jeffrey, pinagbigyan lang raw ni Kaka si Rookie. So, Team Kaka, papayag po ba tayo na walang rematch? Hindi, mag-rematch raw po tayo. So, our players are ready, set, label, shoot for Team Kaka! Rookie! Kaka! Rookie! Very good. But anyway, thank you so much everyone for being such good sports. That's it for Kaka for today. Can everybody please say bye, Kaka! Now dahil nanalo raw po si Rookie, mag-victory dance raw si Rookie. Sige nga Rookie, anong victory dance mo? Ayan, umiikot-ikot si Rookie for his victory dance. Pero 2 steps lang po yung victory dance si Rookie. What's the second step, Rookie? Of course, his signature dance move, the headbang. Now, bago lang po papasok ulit sa classroom si Rookie, he wants to say to everyone, bye everyone! Now, many are asking us, no, how are we able to know kung babae o lalaki po ba isang cockatoo? Well, it's actually very simple. Kung pula po ang mata ng isang cockatoo, that means the cockatoo is a girl. Kung itim naman po, that means the cockatoo is a boy. Very good. That's it for our
Walang
PE time for today. But of course, we have another teacher bird who is very excited to meet you all today. So everybody help me welcome Red. Ladies and gentlemen, meet Red, our green ring macaw. Now macaws are birds with enormous beauty. Tingnan nyo naman si Red, diba? Very colorful and very majestic to look at. That is why it can be very tempting to just bring them home and make them our pets. But of course, it is very important to stress that macaws has a certain know-how for us to be able to properly take care of them. Take Red here for example. Red has been donated to our doors 15 years ago. And since Red is from Brazil, we cannot release him back to Philippine forest. Now you might be wondering, may mga parrots po ba na endemic sa Pilipinas o dito lang sa Pilipinas makikita? The answer to that is yes. Two that we especially like to mention are the Gaya bells and the Philippine hanging parrot. Both of that you can see here in Malagos Garden Resort in the wild. That is why early mornings, we encourage our guests to try the bird watching activity. An activity where you just get to roam around the resort with your binoculars and observe birds in the wild. This is a gentle reminder from Malagos that we share our home to so many beautiful wildlife. Now going back to PE time, anong gagawin ni Red? May nakita prutas si Red at Chinuot ni Teacher Red sa basket. Palakpakan naman for Teacher Red, everyone. Na kung kanina Teacher Waki taught us that it is important to save a part of what we earn, Teacher Red over here wants to share that it is equally very important to save some of our resources, like food and water. Because after all, it's not always every day that we get to enjoy the luxuries that we have right now. Now for the next part of the class, I need everyone to be a bit serious now. Today we're going to talk about climate change. Diba, heat waves are crazy in the summer, sobrang init po pag summer, our glaciers are melting, and recently natamaan po tayo na Bagyong Paeng, which disrupted a lot of livelihoods and homes. Now, we in Malagos believe that collectively, we can do so much. So the first step we need to do to help save Mother Nature is to learn how to properly segregate our waste. So Red over here will be teaching us. May nakitang plastic si Teacher Red, and everybody, according to Teacher Red, plastics are non-biodegradable o di nabubulok. Good job, Teacher Red. From this side naman, may nakita. Ano nakikita ni Red? Down si Teacher Red. Sige, Red, is that biodegradable or non-biodegradable?
Ayan, tigil. Tatluan ng kapilo.
Ay, hello everybody! According to Teacher Red, ang dahon na po ay biodegradable o nabubulok. Good job, Red. That's it for Red for today. Can everybody please say bye, Teacher Red? Of course, it is very important to stress now that climate change is not only harmful to the environment, it is equally very harmful to the society. One protector of the environment that we especially like to mention and honor are the Bagobos. Sila po yung talagang maraming nakatira dito sa Baguio District. And Baguio District is also home to the Talomo Lipadas watershed, one of the two main watersheds here in Davao City. It is the current and the future source of drinking water in the city. Now, you might be wondering, why are watersheds important? Bakit nga ba importante ang watersheds? So, watersheds are important dahil marami pong buhay na kasalalay dito. Not only as humans, but also the many plants and animals na kapaligid dito. If you don't already know, for local tribes, the land, the air, the water, and everything that breathes life is sacred. Kaya naman they're constantly fighting the battle to help save Mother Nature. Parang nangyayari ngayon due to human greed, due to urbanization, they're constantly being driven out of their homelands. Now what will happen kung patuloy na mangyari? What will happen to our resources, our watersheds? Sige natin ganyan natin.
Ilalagas gani. Ilan tawa ba na? Why? Tatlo yan. Malapad sa'yo.
Now, you might have noticed earlier that the local tribe of Chipte was actually praying to the birds for divine intervention. Now, these are very common because birds are actually a very good violence indicator. In every after calamity such as earthquakes or typhoon, if you happen to see birds flying above us in a circular pattern, that's actually a good sign that it's now safe, nurtured. So please, look for these kinds of signs.
In every disaster,
Wow,
they're given a
salamat.
chance to rebuild, confess our mistakes, and to learn from them. We hope you join us in our efforts to preserve and conserve the environment. Remember to always be part of the solution and not part of the solution. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the cast and crew of the longest running interactive bird show here in the Philippines, and we have been doing this for the past 20 years
Wow,
already.
20 years.
And that ends our show. We hope you had fun. You want to learn something today, but most importantly, cherish this moment with your friends, loved ones, family in this beautiful paradise we call the Malagos Garden Resort. For our last words, this word will be coming from Rookie saying, bye-bye! Daghang salamat o mayong buntag kanatong tanan.